Hi everyone, I'm Sdiksha studying in 10th standard. I'm from Plane Figures team and I'll be explaining on the topic circle, sector and segment. Now we are going to look at some formulae related to circle, sector and segment. The first one is circle. Area of circle is equal to pi r square. Here the pi's value is 22 by 7 or we can take it as 3.14 and r is radius. The next one is circumference of a circle which is equal to 2 pi r. The next one is semicircle. In semicircle, area of semicircle is equal to 1 by 2 pi r square. Perimeter of a semicircle is equal to pi r plus 2r. And next is sector. In this sector, we are going to find the area of the sector of angle theta. So, which is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. The angle we take it as theta. In this, we are taking OAPB is the minor sector and OAQB is the major sector. Next one is in the sector, we are going to find the length of an arc of a sector of angle theta. So that formula is theta by 360 degree into 2 pi r. In this figure also, OAPB is minor sector and OAQB is major sector. Next one is segment. Area of segment APB is equal to area of sector OAPB minus area of triangle OAB. So which will give you theta by 360 degree into pi r square minus the area of triangle OAB. In this figure, APB is called as the minor segment and AQB is called the major segment. MPM, Model Problem Mapping. Here's the MPM which gives us the ways on how to solve the various problems given. Let's look at the first figure. They have given the five colored circles and they have mentioned the diameter as 21 and we have found out the radius of the gold circle. So now we are going to find the area of gold, red, blue, black and white circles respectively. Next is the second figure. They have given that the circumference is 2 pi r, the speed is 66 km and the time is 10 minutes. So we are going to find the distance first and the number of revolutions the wheel has taken. The third figure is a sector problem. So they have mentioned that OAPB is a sector and they have also given the theta, that is angle 30 degree, and they have also given that radius is 4 centimeter. So we are going to find the area of sector and the major corresponding sector. Next figure is based on quadrant. They have given the circumference is 22 centimeter and the formula of area of quadrant is 1 by 4 into pi r square. So we are going to find out the area of quadrant. Fifth figure, they have given that the radius is 14 centimeter and the theta is 30 degree. So we are going to find out the area swept by minute's hand. The sixth figure, they have given that the radius is 25 centimeter and the sweeping angle is 115 degree. So we are going to find out the total area cleaned by the two wipers. So we will be using the formula length of an arc of a sector of an angle theta. Now we are going to see the last figure. So they have given the radius as 21 centimeter and they have given that the angle is 60 degree. So this question is split up into two parts. The first part is we have to find out the length of the arc APB and the second part is we have to find out the area of sector OAPB. First question, the figure depicts an archery target marked with its 5 scoring regions from the center outwards as gold, red, blue, black and white. The diameter of the region representing gold score is 21 centimeter and each of the other bands is 10.5 centimeter wide. So we have to find the area of each of the 5 scoring regions. They have mentioned that the diameter of the gold circle is 21 centimeter. So in order to find the radius, we have to divide the diameter by 2, which will give you 10.5 centimeter. Now let's look at the next part of the question. They have written that each of the other bands is 10.5 centimeter wide. So what we have to do is, we have to find the radius of red, blue, black and white. So for the radius of gold circle, we've already found out 10.5 centimeter. So in order to find the radius of red, we have to add 10.5 plus 10.5. For blue, we have to multiply 10.5 with 3. For black, 10.5 with 4. And for white, 10.5 with 5. Now we are going to find out the area of each of the circles. So first we are going to find the area of gold. So we are using the formula area of circle, which is pi r square. So if we substitute, we get the value 346.5 centimeter square. In order to find the red circle, we have to add the radius of red and gold and minus the area of gold. And for blue, we have to add the radius of red, gold and blue, and we have to minus the area of gold and red. The same method applies for the area of black and white. So if we simplify and apply all these formulas, we get the final answer as 3118.5 centimeter square. Second question, the wheels of a car are of diameter 80 centimeter each. How many complete revolutions does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour? So in this question, we have the given as diameter of the circle is 80 centimeter. So we have to find the radius, meaning we have to divide diameter by 2, which will give you 40 centimeter. They have given the speed is equal to 66 km, and then now we are going to convert the time into hour. They have given in minutes, but if we convert to hour, it will be convenient for us to do the calculations. So time they've given us 10 minutes. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 10 minutes is equal to 10 by 60, which will give you 1 by 6 hours. So in this question, we are going to find out the number of revolutions each wheel make in 10 minutes. We already know the diameter and radius of the wheels. We are going to find out the distance covered in one revolution. So we are going to use the formula circumference of a circle, which will give you 2 pi r. So in this, I'm not going to substitute the pi value. I'm just going to keep it aside. So we are multiplying 2 into 40, which will give you 80 pi centimeter. Now we have to find the distance. So we are using this formula, speed is equal to distance by time. To find the distance, we are going to multiply speed into time. So if we simplify with the numbers, we get the distance as 11 kilometer. Now we are going to convert the kilometer into centimeter. So before converting, we can't directly convert kilometer to centimeter. So first we'll convert kilometer to meter, which will give you 11,000 meter. Now we are going to convert 11,000 meter into centimeter, which will give you 11 lakhs. Next, we are going to find the number of revolutions, so which will give you the total distance by 80 pi. So here only I am going to substitute the value of pi, which is 22 by 7. So it will be 11 lakhs by 80, 11 lakhs into 7 by 80 into 22. If we substitute and cancel all these things, we'll get the final answer as 4,375. Third question, find the area of the sector of a circle with radius 4 cm and of angle 30 degree. Also find the area of the corresponding major sector. In this question, they have given that OAPB is the sector and radius is 4 cm. So now we are going to find out the area of sector and the area of corresponding major sector. So to find the area of the sector, we are going to use the formula theta by 360 degree into pi r square. So in this, I am going to take pi's value as 3.14. It will be easy for the calculations. So if we substitute the values, we'll get the area of sector as 4.19 centimeter square. Now we are going to find the corresponding major sector. Here we will be using the formula pi r square and minus the area of sector we have found out. So here also we are going to take the pi's value as 3.14 and radius is 4. So 4 square will give you 60 and minus the area of sector we have found out as 4.19 centimeter square. If we calculate, we get the answer as 46.05. So we are going to round it off. So we'll get it as 46.1, which is approximately. So answer is 46.1 centimeter square approximately. Fourth question, find the area of the quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. So in this question, they have given that circumference is 22 centimeter, but now we are going to find out the area of quadrant. So area of quadrant is 1 by 4 pi r square. So first, we are going to find out the circumference. So circumference formula is 2 pi r. So circumference they are already given as 22, which will give you 22 is equal to 2 pi r. So we are taking pi r to this side and 22 by 2 to that side. So if we divide, we get it as 11. So we are bringing radius to this side and taking 11 to that side. So we are going to substitute the formula pi, which will give you 22 by 7. As we are taking it to the opposite side, it will become reciprocal, which will give you 7 by 22. And then we are cancelling it and we get the radius as 7 by 2 centimeter. Now we are going to find out the area of quadrant. The formula is 1 by 4 pi r square. So 1 by 4 into pi is 22 by 7 and radius is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. After simplifying and doing all the calculations, we get the final answer as 77 by 8 centimeter square. Fifth question, the length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. So they have given that the length is 14 centimeter and we have to find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Time is also given as 5 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, so which will give you 360 degree. So 1 minute is equal to 360 by 60, which will give you 6 degree. So in order to find 5 minutes, we'll multiply 6 into 5, which will give you 30 degree. So area swept by minute hand is equal to area of sector. We are going to use the formula area of sector. Theta by 360 degree into pi r square. So theta, we have mentioned that it is 30 degree, and then if we simplify and substitute the values, we get the final answer as 154 by 3 centimeter square. Sixth question, a car has two wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has blade of length 25 centimeter sweeping through an angle of 115 degree. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep through the blades. So they're given the radius as 25 centimeter and sweeping angle as 115 degree. So we need to find out the total area cleaned at each sweep through the blades. So we are going to use the formula theta by 360 degree into 2 pi r. So if we substitute with all the values given, we get the final answer as 158,125 by 126 centimeter square. Seventh question, in a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. We need to find the length of the arc, area of the sector formed by the arc. So the question is divided into two parts. So the radius is 21 centimeter and angle they have given as 60 degree. So first we are going to find the length of the arc. We are using the formula theta by 360 degree into 2 pi r. We have to substitute the values in this formula and we get the length as 22 centimeter. Now we are going to find the area of the sector formed by the arc. We are going to use the formula theta by 360 degree into pi r square. After substituting all the values in the formula, we get the final answer as 231 centimeter square. Reference. These informations are taken from CBSE NCERT textbook Maths, CBSE Guide R.D. Sharma and scitechinfo.net website. Thank you.